doing the Christmas tree Lego pieces.
In March.
Yeah.
We're
Even
a little late.
Yeah. It's the only one I basically have.
Okay.
This is where we're at.
Oh, it's blurry.
This is where we're at. It's really cool.
It is cool. It's a lot of work.
So far, we've been on this for like 3 hours.
Yeah. Why is it
It's worth it.
not focusing? There, now I can see it better. This is really neat. Christmas tree in March.
We finally finished it.
That was hard.
You can literally just.
We
take
ran
it
out of certain Legos,
You can
so
literally just take it out easily.
yeah, that's so that you can store it. You put it back.
I did it all. And now subscribe and like and comment and share, and then comment down when you did it all.
Yay! Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see a really good video, it's up here.
Mom has to figure out how to do that.
Bye.
Bye.